Hello friends, today I want to show you the unboxing and give you a genuine review of Amazon Basics dishwasher. Actually, it is a 12 place dishwasher and it is a very useful item in the kitchen for every woman nowadays. Actually, I can definitely say that this Amazon Basics dishwasher is not less than any big branded dishwasher, because I got it for 27,500 in the lightning deal in the Amazon website. But if you see the other dishwashers which are like branded dishwashers, the price is around 36,000 to 45,000. So I felt that for this price range we get all the same facilities and options which we have in the other branded dishwashers. The panel, if you can see, the panel will be like that. It doesn't have a fancy panel, maybe because of that we are getting this dishwasher for an good affordable price. If you can see, the inside the dishwasher will be having two racks, the upper rack and the lower rack. If you can see the upper rack, it is a very spacious upper rack. Actually, I thought like we can accommodate only small cups and saucers or small bowls like that, but after I saw this, it accommodates a 5-liter pressure cooker also in the upper rack itself. So we have the two fans where the fans, in the sense they are the sprinkler fans, from where we get the water and even the detergent also. And these are the slots for the salt and rinse aid and also the detergents. So we require I didn't open completely because unless the installation person comes, I don't want to open the complete dishwasher, as if is there any problem will not be getting they'll not accept whatever we say. So that's the reason I didn't open it completely. Just wanted to see how it is inside and just opened it like that. And in 2 days the installation was done. And this is the slot for the rinse aid, and we need these 3 items which is required for the dishwashing. One is salt, and the other one is rinse aid, and the other one is detergent. I got these 3 in the Amazon in an offer for 1,000 rupees, I think so. So other than this, we can also get a single tablet for which contains all these 3 options like salt, detergent and rinse aid also. Whatever is affordable and whatever is useful, you can use that, but we have to use all the 3 items for every wash. And if you can see, we have the programs starting from 15 minutes to 3 hour 10 minutes like that. And the highlighted lights are there. These are the highlighted lights for the salt and the rinse aid. Once the rinse aid and salt is filled, the highlighted lights will be not shown actually. So it is an indicator for us, and this is the filter. The unwanted dirt and everything will be deposited in that, and we can just remove the filter and clean weekly once or for 10 days like that. And this one is for the salt, filling the salt. So I have taken the 2 kg salt packet, but it took only 1 kg salt like that. So first we have to pour some water, like a half liter water, and later on we have to add some salt. Like it for the first time it took around 1 kg salt for me. This is the finished salt. After seeing so many reviews, I have bought this Finish dishwasher salt, rinse aid and the detergent also. There are very good reviews about this brand actually. So after it took around half of this packet, that is 2 kgs a packet is, and I have added only 1 kg of this. So after that we have to add another half liter water, or until the slot fills, whatever it is. So we should not use any steel or metal spoon to mix this salt and water. That's what the installation person has told me. We have to use a plastic or wooden spoon and mix it well until the salt and the water is mixed completely. Just mix it like that for 1 minute or so. So now you can take this funnel and close it with this cap. So this is the slot for the rinse aid. So just open it. We have the arrow marks which we can see here. Until until it is filled, we have to fill it with the rinse aid. So this is a 1 liter rinse aid bottle, but it is not taking the 1 liter completely. So if we can see this light here, like not a light, but once the rinse aid is completely filled, the color also will be changed. Before the rinse aid is filled, it will be in white color, and once the rinse aid is filled, the color will be changed. So until it is filled, we have to pour this and close it with the cap. There is a arrow mark which is indicated there. Seeing that, we just have to close it. And now this is the panel. Now you can see the panel, and the highlighted salt and rinse aid option is now not there, because as we have already added those things, it is not highlighted now. So whenever the salt and rinse aid are completely finished from the dishwasher, like it is out of stock, it will indicate us, and we have to restock it again. So these are the options. Starting from 15 minutes to 3 hours, we have the programs. Depending upon the utensils usage, like if they are very much greasy and all, we have to use this intensive mode. Otherwise, we can go for economic mode, or lightly soiled options will be there, like for glassware we have one option, and there are so many options, like 7 programs we have. We can choose whatever is useful for us basing upon the dishes. So pressing this, once we start the machine, we have the program button, and if we just press one after the other, we will be getting the options. This is the most best program in this machine, actually, this 1 hour 30 minutes program. So in this, we will all the dishes will be cleaned completely, and even if selecting this 1 hour 30 minutes program, we can also choose half load option in this. If we choose the half load option, another 15 minutes will be reduced for this program. Now we can see if all the programs and the description will be given here, actually, because we don't have a fancy and a digital panel on this on the outside part of the dishwasher. So they'll just give the images, and we can just see what are the meaning of the images here. And the upper rack is very spacious, like we can accommodate very big vessels also in the upper rack itself, and we have adjustment wheels also, so that we can adjust in 3 levels actually. We can completely remove this rack also. We can see these wheels. So we have 3 options of the levels. Whereas if you want to accommodate very big vessels in the lower rack, we can increase the height of this upper rack still more by using these wheels. So whenever we remove this upper rack, we have to push it very forcefully inside, so that it has to go inside this slot, because the water, the detergent, everything will be coming from that slot only, and it will sprinkle from these fans. For the upper rack will be having a fan, and also for the lower rack also will be having a fan. And every time we have to make sure that the utensils will not touch these fans, the upper rack and the lower rack. Whenever we load the machine and we start the program, every time we need to check these fans, both the fans, upper rack and the down rack fans also. We have to just check like this, and if anything is touching that, we have to just remove or adjust so that it won't touch the fan. With this lower rack also we can completely remove from the dishwasher. Even the upper rack also we can remove completely, so that sometimes if you want to put some big vessels in the dishwasher, we can just remove the upper rack completely also. But even in the upper rack or in the lower rack also, we have to place the utensils, all the utensils upside down. And this is a 5-liter pressure cooker, which is very much easily we can place it in the upper rack itself, so that you can you can know that how much spacious it is. And this is the electric cooker, 1 kg electric cooker bowl, which is a very big one. Even that is also very spacious, and you can accommodate in the upper rack itself. For the first 2 or 3 times we'll just get confused, but after that it is very easy. And even I didn't scrub or clean the utensils too much. I just water washed it and kept it like that only. You can see this teacup, I didn't clean it at all. And see the spoons and all. You can just place the spoons here, or there is a basket given for the spoons and the this also. Wherever it is, you can place these small plates also here. This is the sambar dal. I didn't clean it at all. Just removed the unwanted particles in the dish and just placed it like that. In the first time only, I just wanted to check how much it will be cleaning, so I didn't clean anything. Like for the first 3-4 times we'll get confused what the utensils where to place and all, but once we get used to it, it will not take more than 5 minutes time. And this is the slot for the plates. If you want to place the plates like this, we can use it. Otherwise we can just fold and keep the bowls and all in the place. You can just see the plates and all. Even those also I didn't clean at all. And this is the milk bowl. Even that also I didn't scrub or anything, just placed it like that. Tea bowls and the tadka pan, everything I placed like that. I didn't clean anything. Just I removed all the unwanted particles and just water washed it and kept everything like that. Only thing we have to make sure is that the fan doesn't touch any utensils or spoons or anything, even in the upper rack and in the lower rack. So now if you can see, the spoons are hitting this fan, so we have to remove those spoons from there and we have to place in the other slot. And this is a 3-liter pressure cooker. I have placed a 5-liter pressure cooker and even a 3-liter pressure cooker in the same upper rack. And this 3-liter pressure cooker also I have cooked some curry. Even that also I didn't clean it thoroughly. Each and every time we have to check the fan before starting the program. Even the upper rack and the lower rack also. I have loaded it completely, the mixie jars, everything I placed it, and I didn't clean anything actually. I just wanted to see. And the pressure cookers, whenever we place the pressure cooker, we have to remove this gasket. Otherwise the gasket and the part where the gasket is there, those two also will not be clean. And this is the place where we have to put the detergent. I just kept 1 tablespoon of detergent, or you can place a 3-in-1 tablet also in the same slot. And now I am closing the dishwasher. It is a 1 hour 15 minutes program with half load option, and I started the program. It is the night time. I have started the program. I just went to sleep. And the next day morning I wanted to see how my new dishwasher has cleaned the utensils. With the mixed reviews I have watched in the Amazon website and YouTube and all, I was like actually worried if I have purchased the good dishwasher or not. But it was beyond my expectations. All the dishes were very much cleaned. Like I have showed you before itself, like I didn't clean the teacup. See how clean it is. This is a complete genuine review I am giving. I didn't clean anything. I placed everything with I didn't clean anything actually. So it is a curry pressure pan, even that also no grease at all, at least. And the teacups, milk cups, everything are cleaned very much well. And this tea strainer is really awesome because from so many days I'm trying to clean it, but I couldn't. But here it was like it cleaned up very well. And this is a pressure cooker. I have cooked rice in this. It was also cleaned very well. And coming to the lower rack, I have placed so many dishes actually. And this is the mixie jar. It was also cleaned very well. And the milk utensil, if you can, I have shown you before, so much of milk stains are there, but everything is cleaned very nicely actually. And this is the sambar bowl. I didn't opt for the total drying program, so that's the reason we are able to see some water. But if you can, if you'll open and leave it for a half an hour like that, all the dishes will be dried. And these are the tea utensils which I didn't clean at all. Only I just removed the tea dust. Those are also cleaned out very well. So totally I'm very much happy with my purchase of Amazon Basics dishwasher, and I recommend everybody because it is coming for a lower price. Don't think that it is not worth. It is totally worth the price and very affordable price. And this is the dal tadka pan which came out very well. It is completely greased actually, and all the plates were also completely clean. So I'm very happy with this product. I recommend everybody to purchase this Amazon Basics dishwasher. Thank you.